So first I'm going to show an extruded coil handle. This is a piece of the same coils that I extruded for the handle of the teapot itself. I'm going to cut a little bit off each end. Have a piece that's about 4 or 5 inches long to start with. And then I'm just going to see how I want that handle to fit. I want it a little shorter than that. I want it to kind of mimic the curve in the teapot itself. So I'll make it curved about like that. And the connection is going to be really similar to the connection on the teapot. Just outline it and then score and slip both on the cup and on the handle, and then press it firmly into the pot and smooth around the edges. So I've got my areas marked and I've scored and slipped on the cup, and now I'll score and slip the handle and show the final connection.